57 Chrysler 392, rebuilt 2 years ago by Troy's in Rigby, Idaho. Super engine builder. It was converted over to use the Chevy water pump, and it has the Chevy 400E adapter plate. With super good starter and MSD ignition. Edelbrock, I believe it's a 650 4-barrel. Ready to drop in your rod. It was a little too big for my Model A, so I had to go to a different flathead motor, which is a little lighter. This engine stand, everything goes with it but the battery. That goes in the Model A. It has the oil pump, oil filter adapter. And the new Hotheads windage tray. I asked Bob at Hotheads to put a list together for the most dependable Hemi, which they specialize in. And that's what we built that motor to. Troy's in Rigby, Idaho. Did a great job, 300 or 400 horse. I do not know, I've not had it on a dyno, but it runs great. We'll turn the pump on. Kind of a jury rig, but ran out of parts halfway putting this together. Turn the pump on, turn the ignition on. It's a beast. Whatever you want to put it in, it'll fly.